Okay guys, I'm here in my kitchen. Um, Gagawa ako ng ham and cheese bread or ham and cheese rolls as we call it. Or cheesy wong as my friend calls it. Ang kailangan nyo lang, 1 loaf of bread. Ifa-flatten natin yan later. This is cheese and ham na hinati ko sa gitna, and then single serve cheese na hinati ko rin sa gitna. And kailangan din natin ng panko breadcrumbs and beaten eggs. Tatlo yung muna yung binit ko, pero I know kailangan ko pang ng iba pang eggs. So we'll see as we go on. Alright, let's start.
Hello, my friends. Hello. That's a vulcanizing shop, and if you're not familiar with that, it's basically it's a tire shop. They fix flat tires, right?
Keeps on following me.
Got a flat tire, so he's coming in here, and I could probably spend an entire day at a vulcanizing
Masunurin tong aking noodle.
fix the tires. Hello, sir. How are you? Hello.
Patayin ko muna.
I wrote a blog post about the vulcanizing shop years ago. I was down on the island in Cebu. Had a flat tire on the motorbike. Saw a man fix it different in the West, but there ain't no way in hell that it wasn't safe in any country that you're in. Let's get it out there. But it had about 17 taxes on it, and he taxed the whole sits on a very way, and they say it was put out of the tank. Jeez.
Like this. It's flat. Alright. Tapos na ako. Na-flatten ko na sila. Ngayon naman, babalutin natin. I-roll natin. Alright? Ready? Watch me. Hello guys. Tapos na akong mag-roll, mag-flatten ito. Ngayon naman, bibilutin natin siya. Lagyan natin ng ham. Cheese.
But I'm gonna purposely come over here and put my blue suede shoes on while I can go beach.
Then, roll it.
And
Roll it like this.
see what it looks like. I'll just walk
Tapos,
around,
pagulungin
go down here,
sa
sit
itlog.
here, take a piss.
Pagulungin sa
The fact that I can.
panko bread. Or roll it.
I know sometimes
No,
I'm an
panko
asshole.
bread. And this is how it looks like.
Oh, it's right here. This water's pretty clear.
Same procedures go. Repeat lang yung process. Ham. Cheese. Roll it. Beaten eggs. And breadcrumbs. Lagi akong gumagawa nito tapos nilalagay ko siya sa freezer. Ngayon, pagka tinatamad akong magluto or para sa lunch ko, sa umaga ipiprito ko na lang to. Malutong siya. And I always share it with my coworkers. They love this. Okay guys, I'm down to the last 2 pieces. I think, kasi usually ang nagagawa ko dito 24 pieces. And ubos ko tong ham and cheese. Ang nagamit kong itlog, 5. Usually, ang nagagamit ko 7 or 6. Pero ngayon, I think, mamaya bibilangin ko. Parang kukunti. Ayoko nang biyak uli ng itlog kasi ito na lang. Sayang naman. Kasi itatapon ko lang. Makalat lang. Here's the last piece. Ito na ang ating finished product. Ilalagay ko siya sa Ziploc and then lalagay ko siya sa freezer. I'll be right back. Okay guys, lagay na natin sa Ziploc. Half a gallon. Hahatiin ko siya kasi share ko yung iba sa anak ko.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
Lagyan na natin sa freezer. Nakalimutan ko siyang lagyan. Wait. Okay, for later. Maghahanap pa ako ng pen. Okay? And that's it.